Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a tutorial for my rolling paper. I have been getting a lot of requests for this. So when you purchase it, you are actually going to receive a compressed drive, and then you're just going to extract it. And once you extract it, you're just going to go ahead and open the SVG. The SVG will look like this, and then you can just separate them. They're all grouped together, so you can just like separate the groups if you want to. For right now, I'm actually just going to separate it. I'm going to use like one of the templates because I actually just need one, and I just usually use one so I can do the design. And then after I do my design, I'll show you. All right, so just keep watching and I'll show you what's going to happen. Okay. All right, so today I'm actually going to do a Grinch theme rolling paper because it is Christmas, and for all the the smokers out there, this is the best time to actually get this. You can do any theme. We do have it fully. We do have the template available on my website, and on my paper you can actually get from Koala. It's actually linked in my description, so you're gonna see it in my description. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and set up this template the way how I want to, and I'm just adding lines in the background for the Merry Christmas. And of course I downloaded the Grinch theme font, so it had to match. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just use my little rotation, just rotate it to where I want it to be, which is gonna be on the middle of the box. I actually did this box before, so I'm just doing it over for you guys so you guys can have a good tutorial. Just pay attention. If you have any questions, definitely go ahead and hit me up. My email is there, my website is there, my templates are available on the website, and all my paper is linked in my bio as well, and also in my description. So definitely go ahead and just subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I'm just gonna go ahead and just keep setting up this page, and once I get to the assembly, I'll let you know. Okay, so this is the part where I actually started to import the Grinches into my design, and it went pretty smooth at certain parts. I can say the white one was a success. It came out completely without any like issues for me to trace it. The green one, did not come out because I couldn't trace it by color. I couldn't trace and just remove the background. It was just very difficult, and I'm like, is it even worth it? Because I can get like a PNG Grinch with the transparent background, but that's not the one I wanted. I just wanted that one in specific, so I was like, whatever. I just kind of like let it go. But for the others, they were pretty easy to do. The black one, they give me a little bit of issue at the beginning. I'm not sure why, while I was tracing my color, so I just decided to like move on to something else while I was doing the black one. And you're gonna see the green one right here. I'm trying to trace it. The trace box is supposed to come up on the right hand side, but it's not appearing on the screen right now. But do you see me trying to trace it? I'm trying to trace the tolerance, but it's just not working. And like I cut it and I'm like, let's see how it works, and it just did not work. So yeah, it just did not work. So I'm like, you know what, whatever, I'm not gonna use this. And then I moved on to the black one, and the black one was giving me difficulties because I was tracing by color, and it was just not cooperating with me at the moment. So I just decided to move on and just work on the design, and then I eventually went back to it and traced it by color and end up using the design. So yeah, it's just a give and take when it comes on to crafting. You go back and then go back. So yeah, it's a process, but we got it done. So just continue to look at this process, and once I get to the assembly, I'll show you how to assemble it, okay? And what we're gonna do right now is just set up that would be the inside part where it has like the little message. So I'm gonna get like, let's get smoked, and just change the slight Grinch theme. Now you're on the final step. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and set up our page so we can go ahead and get this printed. So I already printed the front page, and I'm just going to go ahead and align the back, which is going to be the top insert just above it, and then again for the bottom one, and I'm going to go ahead and print this, and this is the final product. It's printed on the back and also on the front. I put my registration lines on there, so it cuts exactly the way how exactly where I need it to cut, and I put the score lines on there so you guys can see exactly where the score lines are cut on the machine. This is just like for demo purposes, but I usually don't have the score lines on there. I usually remove them by changing the color. Alright, and this is me just inserting this on my cutting mat, and it's pretty simple. My cutting mat is kind of dirty, don't judge me. And of course we're gonna go ahead and put it on our handy dandy silhouette machine, and we're just gonna go ahead and load it on. Once you're done cutting it, you're just going to go ahead and remove it from the mat. It's pretty easy to remove if you cut it at the desired settings that you need. My blade does need to change, so it didn't cut. It cut it exactly the way I needed to, but it had some rough edges that I just had to trim up a little bit. But otherwise than that, my blade is very dull because I printed some like glitter stuff on there, so you know how glitter and those blades work. By the time you put glitter on there, it's like done for. So you just remove the middle part. That's where the paper will be, and this little air vent right there. I don't know why they made this, but it's on every rolling paper that I know, so I actually put it back on there. I think it's like an air vent. All right, so I'm now gonna go ahead and just clean up the edges that I have messed up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the assembly process for it. And this, you're gonna just need the rolling paper, your handy dandy glue gun, and just remove the rolling paper from the box, and then you'll be good to go. You're gonna go ahead and insert it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up now so you guys can watch the assembly process. And that's it. That's the final project. So if you guys like what you see, definitely go ahead and subscribe, comment below, and follow me on all my socials. Have a good day. Bye.